all-in-one hairstyle for office girls and for girls with fine thin hair. Hello everyone, coming up with a video with 3 hairstyles, not 1, not 2, but 3 hairstyles, simple and easy. Got huge request for hairstyle videos, so coming up with all-in-one hairstyle tutorial. And I got a huge request how I do my messy bun. Plus, it's a great hairstyle for second day hair. So I was like, let's combine everything together. So here is the first hairstyle. So easy, so convenient. So this is how I do my fake French braid. To see it in detail, you can see my YouTube channel, Happiness with Hema. You will find many hairstyles, sustainable fashion and holistic lifestyle videos over there. French braid till crown area and then pin it up. From the front, puff it up if you like. Next step is messy bun. For that, hold your whole hair into pony position. Make a half bun like this and twist your rest of your hair like this. And pin it up with the bobby pins. After tucking nicely with the bobby pins, I start pulling out my hair until the shape I like. Pull down these wispies and that's it. This hairstyle is perfect for office going and people with a thin, fine hair. I hope you're gonna try right away and you're going to love it. Write me in comment if you want more hairstyle tutorials. And now, next up is a beautiful hair hack. Messy bun for fine, thin hair. If you have a thin hair but you like big buns, this hairstyle is for you. Also, if you're somebody who have very thin hair and have front hair loss but love to try big buns, this will suit you. All you need is 1 spiral band and 3 hair bands. This unique hairstyle is interesting even for the people with a thin hair. So girls, instead of doing one messy bun which turned out very small and thin, I just did 3 little ones to give that extra volume and kind of fake that big, huge, messy bun look. So instead of doing one, do 3 little ones, divide the pressure and then hold them together with spiral band just like this and tie them all together. Tie it just for support with a loose band. And look at that. This bun look way more heavier, fuller, chicy, elegant and pretty. You can pull out your front hair if you need a little more puff like me. You can go back and watch again how I did it. So everyone with the thin, fine hair, try this out and let me know how it turned out. More hair tutorials? Like and follow for more. Coming up is easy, trendy, half up, open hairstyle. So whenever girls want to open up their hair half up, they do something like this. Look very flat and boring, right? So you don't have to do this. Let me share my trick, which is simple and easy. Step 1, take a small front section, tie it with a rubber band. Divide from the middle and flip the hair through and now bring it in front. Step 2, take another section of hair, tie it with a rubber band, spiral, anything. And now move to step 3, that is, lift your first section from the gap, bring out your second section through that. Now lift and spread. And look at that, so trendy, elegant and beautiful. So next time when you're trying half up open hair, must try this one. And all the best to try and let me know how it turned out on you.